Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze rows in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Sheets app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Then we have to find the tab that we want to work on again. Then we tap on the triangle next to the name of it, and here if we scroll down, there is freeze rows. And here we can increase this number, which means that the first row, the second, the third, the fourth is going to be freezed. And as you can see, I have the first 4 rows now at the top. And if I scroll down, those are going to remain there. And if I want to go back, and I can just decrease this number and then just have the first row frozen. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.